Hi, my name is Lexi, and I'm a software engineer in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and I'm a real Binto customer. I started taking Binto supplements in 2019, and I have not looked back since. What initially drew me to Binto was the fact that their supplements don't contain a bunch of extra filler ingredients or coloring, unlike the vitamins that I was taking at the time. And also the fact that the company is helmed by a woman bringing a wealth of knowledge from a career in nursing and women's health care over into the supplement world. The supplements are highly customizable, which is great. I just added B12 to my supplements and noticed a significant difference in my daily energy levels, which is fantastic. They come with a probiotic, which is good for keeping everything regular and staying healthy, bolstering the immune system. Um, yeah, and they come in these convenient little daily packets, so it's nice and easy to remember to take your vitamins with you, even if you have a super hectic schedule. And yeah, Binto is fantastic, and I can't say enough good things about them. And I'll definitely keep trusting them with my supplements as my needs change.